Hallo liebe Leute, let's look at your exercise. Übernachten in der Jugendherberge. Also übernachten, to overnight, to spend the night in the Jugendherberge, in the youth hostel. So, first of all, also you're listening to an audio clip. So you're listening to Monica calling the Jugendherberge in Hamburg. Also this picture here is a pretty decent representation of a Mitgliedskarte. Also in order to stay at the Jugendherberge, the youth hostel, you have to have a membership card. They're cheap, It's like 15, 20 bucks to become a member of the youth hostel. You only have to do it one time, and then you're in, and then you can stay at the hostels. And you can get them there. That's going to be actually in the audio here. So what I want to do with you, the answers are at the bottom. If you were struggling, you could scroll down and read the text as you listened, and then I gave you the answers. But I want to talk a little bit about the answers because there's a lot of culture stuff here. So Nummer 1, wann kommt die Familie an? Ankommen, to arrive, Und wann fährt sie ab? Abfahren, to depart. So wann kommen sie an? Also Freitagnachmittag, Friday afternoon, Und wann fährt sie ab? When do they depart? Also Sonntagabends, 19 Uhr, So they're just doing a weekend trip here. Nummer 2, wo kann man einen Ausweis für die Jugendherberge kaufen? Ein Ausweis, Ausweis literally is an ID, but what they're talking about is this, back up here, this Mitgliedskarte, So you need a membership card, an ID, for the Jugendherberge. It doesn't have your picture or anything. It just says that you have joined the Jugendherberge Association. No big deal. So, wo kann man das kaufen? Also in der Jugendherberge. In fact, I think the last 2 times I did it, they didn't even give me a card. They just said, congrats, you have a membership. So it's no big deal. And like I said, you only have to do it once. Nummer 3, wie viel kostet das Zimmer für eine Nacht? Also 4 Personen, 4 people, 1 night, 100 Euro, Also that's actually pretty cheap, So 25 bucks a person-ish, And that's going to include some stuff here. So for 25 a person, they get their own room. It goes cheaper than that. The cheapest I've ever paid was down around $10 a person. So really cheap travel for young people, And it includes, let's look at Nummer 4, man muss die Familie für das Frühstück extra bezahlen? Nein, Frühstück ist inklusiv, Also youth hostels always include the breakfast, And it's a lovely breakfast spread. Also 5, kann man auch ein Mittagessen bekommen? Can you get a lunch? Aber das kostet extra. Usually it's a packed lunch to carry with you out into the city. Nummer 6, wo wohnt Monika? This time, wo wohnt means where does she actually live? What's her street address? And this is her street address. Hauptstraße 14, also in Kassel, and the zip code is 34119. So hopefully you were able to get her address from the audio. That's it, guys. We'll talk more about youth hostels at the beginning of level 2 because it's kind of a big thing that we need to know about. And that's it for the moment. Cheers.